breaking update that is now coming in of a bomb threat that has now been reported from a South Delhi school in Delhi's Greater Kailash area of a threat that has now been received by the school of threatening up to blow up the entire building. It is in an email form that the school apparently received this threat and saying that the bomb was planted in the school yesterday. However, there has been nothing found by the investigative agencies so far, and legal action has been initiated on part of Delhi police. Now, remember, it was just a few weeks ago where there was spate of bomb threats that were reported across the national capital schools as well, even in NCR. But the Delhi police not taking any chances when it comes to such kind of bomb threats that have been reported in a school. That too, here are when it comes to the investigative details that are coming in. Let's also in the meantime listen into the reaction coming in.
Yeah, so we received an email late at night and it was checked early morning today. The minute we saw the email, as per our standard procedure protocol, we evacuated the students within 10 minutes of receiving the email. We informed the police and the district administration, and we are very thankful to the police. They supported us magnificently. They came immediately. All the students were evacuated, and as you can see, the school has been declared off, and there are hardly any students here. We are just waiting for a few parents to come and collect the students. While this threat is most probably a hoax, but we follow our procedures and protocols.
What police are they still inside the building and checking?
Yes, the police is here and the bomb squad is here. They are checking the building.
Did they inform you? Did they tell you anything or anything that
No. It's too early for that. We are still checking it.
Who sent the mail? Was there any?
No. There is no such thing. It's too early for that. Our first priority is to get the students back home. That is the priority, and everything else, I'm sure they will look into it.
What was written in the email?
You will get to know about it, sure. It was a bomb threat, and the police will, I'm sure, will keep all of us updated as and when they get more information.
As of now, everything is okay?
Everything is under control, everything is okay, and we are happy. We are very thankful that our parents are so supportive that they follow the school guidelines absolutely, and the police has been supporting us, so there is no problem.
Was there any panic among the parents?
No, thankfully there was no panic. There was absolutely no panic. When they were informed, there is a standard protocol. They know which area of school their child has to be collected. They came and they collected their children, so there was no panic.
Well, that's the school principal talking about when it comes to the process and the procedures that were put in place, and immediately the Delhi police was informed of the same. But Akansha, yet another school in South Delhi, as it is being reported as of now, has received a bomb threat.
School in Delhi's Greater Kailash area received a chilling email. The email threatened to blow up the school, claiming a bomb has been planted the previous day. But fortunately, nothing has been found so far in the investigation. But legal action has been initiated. Delhi police has, in fact, said that they are taking these threats very seriously, because, see, this is coming in the backdrop of in fact, 3 months after, as many as 150 schools in Delhi NCR received bomb threats, and police today said that the investigation in this particular case is going on, and they are pursuing all the leads to ensure the safety of the students as well as staff. But the incident has definitely left the parents and the students on the edge, and this also highlighted the need for the heightened security measures in the school. Just on May 2nd, earlier this year, there as many as 150 schools in Delhi NCR region received bomb threat. There were identical emails that all of these schools received, and police is also probing a terror angle as far as those cases are concerned.
Well, we remember that happening when simultaneously multiple schools across Delhi NCR had received those bomb threats. Thank you very much for the moment, Akansha, for joining in. Let's shift now.